Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And boy, do I have a baby doll for you today. I tell you what, in today's world, you cannot find these trucks. It is absolutely crazy what's been going on. This is a 2019 Ford F550, and it's got, I think, 70-some thousand miles on it. This is just a spectacular truck. This is a super cab truck with the back seat, and it's got the nice little service body on back. Oh gosh, I don't know, we'll call that's probably close to a 12-foot. That's a good sized body on that right there. And of course it's got all the stuff on it, all the lights and everything. This is just a spectacular truck. Gotta love the super cabs. If you end up having to call a customer or some other workers to help you out, you got the room to do it. And as I say, this is a 2019. Hey, the radio works. Let's turn that off. Don't need the competition. Ooh, the air feels good too. It's about 85 here in Henderson today. So this has got all the whistles and bells. This has got the power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It's got the automatic headlights. It's got tilt wheel, cruise control, all of your stuff in here to run the radio and the phone and all that kind of good stuff. Full instrumentation up on the dashboard, air conditioning, factory trailer brake, sound system. Ooh, it's 100 degrees out there today. I don't think that's very accurate. I don't know. This was sitting in a direct sun, maybe. And this has got the fold down armrest on it here, so it is the 6-passenger truck if you need it to be. And you got your auxiliary little buttons up there for the strobe lights and all that kind of stuff. All of the dome lights are right there, headrest. This is such a spectacular truck. Oh, look at this. Here's when you can tell when the people care about what they got right there. WeatherTech. You don't get much better than that. You really don't get much more expensive than that. Look at this thing. This is as rust-free. This is like getting a new one out of the box. And it's got factory Ford, or maybe not factory, but Ford, actual Ford running boards on it. Rhino lined all over the place, so you're never going to see rust on it. This is a steel bed, steel body. This is as good as it gets. Toolbox, yeah, okay, it's there. I guess it's better than not having a toolbox, right? You might want to take that out and put in a better one if you want to. Side doors, no rust. This fuel cap is not connected to anything. This is a single fuel tank truck. This is the one that you use. See everything on this truck. Look at how solid this thing is. It is just absolutely remarkable. And of course you got all the little strobe lights and all that kind of stuff, because you know some idiot's not going to see you when they're coming down the road there. And tucked away underneath here, there is a receiver hitch and a little battery jump box deal here. Did not get the cables for it. You're going to have to get those on your own. They left the air line and the water line. So there's a water tank right there with the pump on it, and that's going to come out of probably this one here. And they left the hose here for the air compressor. They kept their air compressor in their welder, so there's plenty of room up there to put those in if you need them. Not everybody needs those things, so it's not that big of a deal. Nicest. Look at that. Diamond plate, strobes, little pipe vents right there. And I'm not going to bore you with the details. This side looks exactly the same as that side. Tires on it are going to be at, I don't know, 20-30% maybe. Simulator wheels. Such a pretty truck. That is a Monroe body for those of you keeping scores at home. And I don't know if you noticed all of the fancy little LED lighting around there, but it's got them all. Such a nice little thing. Turn signals built into the rear view mirrors there. Those are power mirrors from the inside also, in case I didn't mention that. And it's just as nice as you can get. Look at how clean this thing is. Doesn't look like it's ever hardly been sat in. Such a nice truck. Hey, we picked this truck up about 12 hours away from here. My wife drove this one back, and it was like driving a Cadillac. She just absolutely loved it. It is two-wheel drive. It's got the tow hooks. There's another little thing for the jump box if you need it. Look at there. Another WeatherTech. Got the nice little bug deflector on it. Such a beautiful truck. That is just absolutely unbelievable on that thing. Let me get up there and just close the door so we can see what the mileage on it actually is, just to make sure. And it is a 74,000 mile truck. Boy, the air conditioning is ice cold in this thing. Feels excellent. Anyway, got the little tinting up there, Super Duty. Here's all your little extra buttons and all that kind of good stuff. Such a nice truck. There's your power mirror control, just like every other. Nice, nice, nice truck. If you can use that truck, or anything else on our website for that matter, you feel free to give me a call. This is Dave with HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And as usual, I thank you very much for looking.